How to use Meladerm cream. It is recommended that Meladerm cream be applied 2 times a day on any affected area that you want to improve. This should be done 1 time in the morning and 1 time at night before you go to bed. For the best results, before applying the cream, wash and then drying your skin to remove dead skin and dirt will prove to be very effective. The best way to apply the cream is to squeeze a very small amount from the dispenser and then massage it into your skin until it is absorbed. Make sure you stay away from your eyes when applying the cream. Let it dry on your skin for at least 10 minutes, and after that, you can proceed to add makeup, sunblock or moisturizers. If you have sensitive skin and are worried about any kind of Meladerm cream side effects, the best thing to do is use it on another part of your body like your arm or neck first. Do this for the first 3 days so that your skin can get used to it. During this time, you may experience a bit of redness, peeling or blemish on the area that you put it on. However, this kind of reaction is normal and you can go ahead and continue to use the cream as recommended. It is suggested that you stop using the cream if your skin is overly sensitive and gets really irritated to a severe degree. Here are step-by-step directions on how to use Meladerm cream. For best results, apply the cream once in the morning and once at night. For sensitive skin, first try on either the arm or neck for 3 days. Before applying moisturizers, sunblock or makeup, let it dry for 10 minutes. Make sure you avoid contact with the eyes. Use sunblock that has an SFT of 30+. After using the dispenser, store it in a cool, dry place that is not in direct sunlight. For long-term use, it is recommended that you put the cream in the refrigerator. This product is not suitable for children under age 12, pregnant women or nursing women. Tanning devices and heavy sun exposure should be avoided. It is best to drink lots of water and make sure that you keep your skin moisturized. Another thing that can help with rejuvenating your skin is by adding to your diet more greens and fruits, as they are rich in antioxidants along with vitamins A, B, C and E. So there it is. Now if you want to desire brighter and healthier skin, follow these directions and you will be on your way. Click on the link below to learn about Meladerm for hyperpigmentation.